everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so I really hope you enjoy it. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the palette that I went in with is the Strawberry Shake palette from Colourpop, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've already used this palette a few times here on my channel and I absolutely love it. The first shade that I went in with is Paper Straw, and I used this as my transition shade, so I just put it in my crease, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions just to act as a background shade before I go in with deeper eyeshadows. Next, I went in with this taupe pink berry color, and it's called Shake It Up, and I just applied that with a defined angle brush, and I just put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye fully, you can still see the shades that I'm applying. And next I went back into that first transition shade just to blend that line out, because even though we want definition, we still want it to be nice and blended. So I just went in back and forth motions and circular motions just to get it to the blendedness that I desire. And then I went in with a little bit of concealer and I just cleaned up my lid. And this is just going to make it a little bit more clean and sharp. I went in with the Dose of Colors Ideal Duo in the shade Lemon Drop, and I took my NYX glitter primer. The Ideal Duos actually have like a cream product in the when you first open it. It's like a cream base, but I personally like using glitter glue, so that's what I did. I just applied my glitter glue and then I put that pigment right over top. And then going in with my Sofie Bella lashes, I'm wearing the style Bahama. I highly recommend them. I can't stop wearing them. And I'll leave the link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our lash brand. I find that these lashes complement every single eye look. And then going back into that transition shade, I grabbed that Paper Straw once again and I just applied that on my lower lashes, mainly focusing it on the outer corner, just to give the eye a little bit more dimension. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!